Hey guys, this is Miss Cowan. I'm going to show you how to log into your Study Island because the very first assignment I want to give you in Study Island, which is going to be due on Friday, I want you to do it on this Friday, which is Friday September 28th. And you're just going to do the diagnostic test this week, and then next week we'll do more, and I'll send another video and show you how to do that. So the first thing you'll do is go to studyisland.com, and you use your Foursquare document that I gave you to log in. One really important thing, I changed everyone's Foursquares because on a lot of them I forgot to add this @epic sign right here. So it's really important you add in @epic. The password is epic1234 with a lowercase e. So when you log in, it's going to look something like this. What you'll do, if you're a junior, ignore these ACTs right now. What you're really going to do, all grades, 3rd through 11th, when you log into Study Island on Friday, hit this OK Programs tab, and then you simply fill in your grade. So let's say you're in 4th grade. You type in 4th grade, you select your subject. You're going to do one in each subject. So in math, you'll hit this diagnostic test, and you are going to do practice. And this is when you'll go through the test. You'll do that in math and in English. Let's say you are in 7th grade. You would hit 7th grade mastery. You would do math, diagnostic test. You would do English, diagnostic test, and you would do social studies. Whatever is listed down here is what you need to do. Okay? 8th grade, you have 4 actually, because you have state tests in all these subjects. So do the diagnostic test in each subject, or the pretest. In some cases it's called the pretest. And make sure that you just hit practice on this. Don't do printable worksheets, and don't do game mode right now. Just do practice. Okay? And don't worry about this, guys, too much. This is just to get used to how Study Island works and show me what you already know. Just kind of like our benchmarks. For high schoolers, you will go to this high school ELA, select a subject. You will know if you're in English 1 or 2, probably not in English 3. You'll do the English 1 diagnostic test. You will then go to high school math and choose which math you're in. If you're in Algebra 1, you're going to hit Algebra 1 and do the diagnostic test. If you're in Algebra 2, guess what? Diagnostic test, practice. Awesome. And finally, only if you're in biology will you take this biology pretest. That's primarily going to be juniors, but you will know that because your Apex will tell you and your class schedule will tell you if you're in it. If you're in physical science or environmental science, you don't need to take it. And if you are a junior, you also need to take this U.S. history pretest. And all of this is meant to prepare you for the ACT. So juniors, you have a lot of subjects, but that's because we're preparing you for the ACT. And Study Island is really aligned with the ACT standards. So anyway, that is what I would expect for all of you guys to do on Friday. As always, let me know if you have questions, and I will send a new video next week on what to do from there. We're going to be doing Study Island every Friday from now on, so just get used to it this week and the coming weeks. Okay, thank you.